Okay, let's explore this capital budgeting problem where we have two mutually exclusive machines and where to make the better choice. Okay, now, machine A requires an upfront expenditure of $450,000. It has an expected life of 2 years and it'll generate positive cash flows of $350,000 per year. So we start off by saying there's our $450,000 outflow. Let me move the mouse out of the way. $350,000 positive at the end of year 1 and $350,000 at the end of year 2. Okay, at the end of 2 years, now it says here the machine will have zero salvage value, but every 2 years the company can purchase a replacement machine with the same cost and identical cash flows. Let's keep that in mind. Now, machine B requires $1 million up front, has an expected life of 4 years, and it'll generate $350,000 of positive cash flow. So there's our 4 years of $350,000. Cost of capital is 10%. What's the net present value on an extended 4-year life of the better machine? Okay, now what that means is extended 4-year life, we can replace machine A every 2 years. So at the end of the second year, we could make the purchase again. Well, what that means is in this cell, we've got to add in that that extra $450,000 cash outflow again. So I'll subtract out $450,000, which is the same as adding a negative $450,000, the cash outflow. And then it'll generate $350,000 for the next 2 years. So we'll put that in. Okay, and then it's just a question of inserting the net present value. So I'll type equal NPV, hit my left paren, and as you all know, I like to come up to the formula bar or the insert function bar, where that'll call up, and then I can point to what it's looking for. So where's the rate? Right there. Bring that back down. I should probably move this over so you can see all of it as much as possible. And then value 1 says what are the payments equally spaced in time occurring at the end of each period. The end is critical. So the first one is not the 450, that's right now. The end of the first period starts here, and then we can simply slide to the other periods to call that in, and we get an NPV of that amount, the $737,000 spare change, but then we have to hit the F2 key and add in the initial cash outflow because the NPV function is assuming the first cash flow occurs at the end of the first year, so you have to add back that negative outflow. Okay, so you can either see it down here or down here, and I get 287,552. Now, all I've got to do then is copy that over here, and you'll see we've got the exact same NPV formula coming in, and now you see that 287, and I'll bold that, is the better option.